Laybuy is a buy now pay later service that allows you to spread the cost of purchases over 6 weekly interest-free payments. Here's how to use Laybuy. Sign up for Laybuy. Visit Laybuy's website or download the Laybuy app. Create an account by providing your personal details such as name, email, and phone number. You will need to undergo a soft credit check, which doesn't affect your credit score, to determine your spending limit. Shop with Laybuy. Laybuy is available at numerous online and in-store retailers. Look for the Laybuy option at checkout. If shopping online, select Laybuy as the payment option during checkout. If shopping in store, use the Laybuy app to generate a barcode for payment. Complete your purchase. Once Laybuy is selected, log into your account. The total amount will be split into 6 equal payments. The first payment is due at the time of purchase, with the remaining 5 payments scheduled weekly. Review the payment plan and confirm the transaction. Track and manage payments. Payments are automatically debited from your linked card. Use the Laybuy app or website to track your payment schedule and manage future payments.